Ohio health officials say there are 1,733 new cases of COVID-19 just today.
That's the largest daily total in the state since the outbreak began months ago. There have been 89,626 total positive cases. 20 more people have died from coronavirus. The state's death tolls 3,442, and the number of people in the hospital and ICU are also up. Today, Governor Mike DeWine proposed some new rules for bars and restaurants. Local 12's David Winter was at the governor's briefing, and he is live in Columbus with details on what the governor wants. David.
Well, Paula, there were actually a number of things that came out of the State House this afternoon, not the least of which is, yes, the governor is suggesting to the State Liquor Control Commission that it adopt 3 new liquor laws, temporarily at least. And the governor says that the bars and restaurants should not be able to sell alcohol after 10 p.m. He also suggests that they cannot allow the consumption of alcohol after 11 p.m. and to help counterbalance the loss of revenue, raise from 2 drinks to 3 the number of drinks that people can buy to go. Now, the Liquor Control Commission does meet tomorrow morning to consider the changes. They would go into effect immediately if adopted. The governor also noted case tracing shows many of the new coronavirus cases are born at people's homes. So he is suggesting if you live in a red county, Hamilton County being one of them, do not have any gatherings of any size at your home.
This virus is just vicious. It does not care who you are. We tell these stories not to embarrass anyone and not to really disclose the information, but rather to use these cases to illustrate that it can happen to anybody. And it can happen when you're least aware that it might happen. And it can happen when you're with friends. It can happen with your family.
Now, the governor also suggested that you wear a mask and socially distance inside your own home if you have someone living there who is at high risk. Now, when asked about the president's tweet today suggesting that the November elections be postponed, the governor gave an emphatic no, and he said, quote, he is convinced the election cannot be rigged. Reporting live in Columbus, David Winter, back to you.
Thank you, David.